In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a report in Xero. Let's get started by going to Xero. Open your browser, sign into your Xero organization, and once your dashboard loads, you're in the right place. If you manage multiple organizations, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on, and remember that your access level can affect which reports you can view. Next, click on Reports. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find this under the Accounting menu, or as a dedicated Reports option on the main navigation bar. This takes you to Xero's reporting area, where everything is grouped to help you quickly find what you need. From here, choose the report you want. Xero offers a wide range of reports to answer different questions about your business. For example, a profit and loss shows income and expenses over a period. A balance sheet gives you a snapshot of assets, liabilities, and equity. And Aged Receivables helps you see who owes you and how long invoices have been outstanding. If you're drilling into specific activity, the account transactions or general ledger reports can be especially helpful. Don't worry if you're not sure which one is best right away. You can always back out and pick another without losing anything. If you're having trouble locating a specific report, use the search bar at the top of the reports page. Type a keyword like profit, a balance, receivables, or even a partial phrase, and Xero will filter the list for you. This is the fastest way to jump straight to what you need, especially if the report names feel similar or you don't use them every day. Once you've opened the report, adjust the date and any filters to match your needs. Select the date range that makes sense, such as last month, the current financial year to date, or a custom period. Then refine the view with the available options. Depending on the report, you might switch between cash and accrual, include or exclude specific accounts, or narrow results by tracking categories, locations, or projects. If there's a compare or prior period option, turn it on to see changes over time. After setting your filters, update or refresh the report to apply them, then review the results to confirm they tell the story you expect. When you're happy with the setup, save it so you can reuse the same configuration next time without starting from scratch. Saving your customized view helps keep your reporting consistent and speeds up your month-end routine. And that's it. Go to Xero, click on Reports, choose your report, use search if needed, adjust the date and filters, and save your setup for future use.